What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, we're going to give you today a real world, long-term, 6+ year coyote swap review. We're going to go over all of the problems you're going to experience in your ownership after the swap. Let's get into it. So, there you go. This is the very first coyote swap Dover ever did. This car was completed in 2017, before mine, before any of the other ones, before all of this transpired. So we're talking 6+ years. So what kind of issues you're gonna have? I think I kind of made the point. You're good. Are you gonna have small things? Yeah, he had to put an alternator. The gentleman that owns the vehicle now had to replace the alternator. I think that was 2-3 years ago, and I think one of the lines on the hydro boost is leaking. But you know, it's lines and alternators are maintenance items. You know, that's stuff that over time, you know, any car, regardless of what's done to it, you're going to have to do it. AC parts, stuff like that. But I guess the point I'm trying to make here, guys, is yes, it's a swap. Yes, the car is highly modified. But guess what? Who can hate having well over 400 horsepower, factory reliability, mid-20s on the gas mileage, maybe higher? Actually, it can be a little higher if you know, drive it reasonably. But I mean, there you go. There's a reason, guys. Like, there's a reason we love these swaps. Yeah. Get in it. Hit the key and you go. It's pretty freaking awesome. We've got the car back, helping him swap wheels out. Yeah, check out the 315s. Oh yeah. He was having some issues. The rear end in this one is narrowed 1 inch on each side, so he was having some issues making the new wheels fit. So we're helping him out with that. But no reason to run my mouth anymore, guys. It's pretty simple, it's pretty straightforward, and it freaking works. And not only does it work, it freaking rips. So we can take another car, which my car was done late 2018. Issues I had with my car. I blew a fuel pump hose in the tank, and one time one of my upper control arms came out of adjustment and threw the pinion angle off. That was it. So again, not really a need to say much more than they're super reliable swaps. You get a crap ton of power. These newer engines don't pour oil. I hate to say it, but even with all the best gaskets that we put on Pop's car, the new silicone ones, it's still leaking, and that's aggravating, especially after all the time we put into and money we put into resealing that engine, putting all new parts on it. guys, the point of this video is Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, email, all of that. I get guys that have not done it, that are on the fence, that are curious, like they don't know what it's going to be like, you know, how it's going to respond, how it's going to perform. So this is my way of kind of illustrating to you what you can expect when you have a Coyote swap. Am I trying to influence you to do it? No. What I'm saying is, any upgrade that you do, you want to make your car more fun to drive. And that's kind of the point. You can go out and enjoy the power, the performance, all of that of your car. There's many ways to skin the cat, and the reason that Dover and I and Alex and we're so adamant about doing these things is because they keep the fun factor there. You don't have all the crazy like the idling, the cold-natured stuff, all of the stuff that goes along with using all the old wiring and old computers and trying to find tuners and all this other stuff. So yeah, it's 100% worth it. I definitely recommend it. All right, guys, and I'll leave you with this. One of the funniest things I ever heard was people talking about Coyote swaps are becoming cookie cutter or common or something like that. So I've been to Foxtoberfest for, I don't know, 4 straight years, and we'll take last year. Real numbers from everything I saw, I would say maybe 10% out of nearly 800 Fox bodies, but probably 10% were Coyote swapped. So do you see a lot of them online, on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook? Absolutely. You see a bunch of them because they're cool. So to say that it's common or it's worn out or anything, that's bullshit. Go to any car show and do a comparison of how many are pushrod, 2.3 turbo, modular, you know, 4.6 swapped, and Coyote swapped. It's not as many as you think. But anyway, guys, there's my my best review I can give you. Again, this car's been swapped for 6 years, and we've had to put an alternator on it, and it's pretty freaking awesome. I mean, it's basically a engine out of a new car that you can drive anywhere, that you don't have the common issues. Even the LS guys say, yeah, they like the big cams and all of that, but stuff gets annoying after a while, and you're still going to have drivability issues, cold-natured issues, all of that. Again, what's not to love? 430, 440 horsepower, great fuel mileage, perfect street manners. I mean, I don't understand the hate, but it is what it is. So I hope this helped. If you're on the fence, I definitely recommend it. And that's what I got for you today. If you enjoyed this one, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one.